This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, automatic locking wheel hubs, a bed liner, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Grindstaff Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2214 West Elk Avenue in Elizabeth.